Sad news regarding passing of Welcome Bhodloza Nzimande. Nzimande passed this morning, 15 January of 2020, after a short illness. At the time of his death, he was working for the Department of Labour as UIF board chairperson, who joined them in 2013 after leaving Ukhozi FM in 2010. He was one of the stational legendary presenters who have joined station in 70s. While it was still known as Radio Bantu, his career began with Radio Zulu, which today is Ukhozi FM. 10 years he was popular in traditional TV show known as Ezodumo on SABC1. There is a message written by Ukhozi FM on their social media page. Sibuhlungu siwusakazo Ukhozi FM ngokudlula emhlabeni kwaye ngumphathi wethu ubaba uWelcome Bhodloza Nzimande. Lala Mphephethu, uyidlalile indima yakho emhlabeni, uthuthukisile umsakazo, wawuthuthukisa umculo wesintu. Siyabonga igalelo lakho. Rest in peace, Bhodloza. I'm passing the condolences to the family. I thank you.